If this is your first time by watching my prompt engineering video, watch this video completely. After that, go to my LionAI YouTube channel. Go to my LionAI YouTube channel. This is my LionAI YouTube channel. Then go to playlist. There is a prompt engineering video series. You can learn so many things about prompt engineering. Chain of thought content means guide the AI model to give result through step-by-step reasoning. There are two core patterns of chain of thought: zero shot COT and few shot COT. So I will give example for the chain of thought prompting. Let's see, go to the chatgpt. I asked this from chatgpt. What is here? Class 15. This is normal prompt, not chain of thought. For later I will give a chain of thought prompting, then you can understand what is different normal prompting and chain of thought prompting. So I will give normal prompting. What is 12 plus 15? I send this to the chatgpt. He give 12 plus 15, 27. Then I will I will give chain of thought prompting. Let think step by step. This is normal prompting. I add this red thing step by step. This is we ask from chatgpt to give step by step reasoning. So I send this to the chatgpt. Then you will see chatgpt show us to reasoning processing. He show to us. Firstly, he did not show anything. Reasoning step did not show. Then this prompting he give reasoning processing. Start with 12, okay, and add 15 to it. Okay. Then we can split 15 into parts to make it easier. Okay. 12 plus 10, 22. 22 plus 5, 27. That's when he give reasoning steps. That means he chatgpt tell. Then he split 50 to 10 and 5. Firstly, add 12 plus 10, 22. Then after that add plus. This is the chain of thought prompting. I did not give any example for this. That's mean this is zero shot COT. So now I will show what is few shot COT. I type some example so you can see I type example 1. Question is what is 5 plus 7. Then answering, I type first number is 5, second number is 7, 5 plus 7, 12, answer is 12. And I type also example 2. Then I ask to chatgpt, now you try what is 12 plus 15. Then he will give answer like this. That is few short COD. That's mean I give some example and I ask some question. That is few short COD. I send this to the chatgpt, then it give like that. If you want to some more practical example of chain of thought, comment it below, then I will make a video for that. So today's lesson is finished now. To watch this video till the end, that's mean you are serious about your work. I created this channel for the support to people like you. This channel informs you how to use AI tools. Then you can take next step in your field with AI technology. So subscribe this YouTube channel and like this video. We will meet again from another video.